Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Dukaan to create a fully functioning e-commerce website and take your business online. Dukaan is the easiest way to start your own online business, and in the next 5 minutes, you should be all set to take on the world with your products and services. By the end of this video, we'll set up an online store, add products and categories, set up payment options, add a custom design, set store timings, and learn how to promote your store to your potential customers. Let's go. Whatever kind of business you have, be it a restaurant, grocery store, clothing store, or even a consultation business, you can create your online presence easily with Dukaan. Gone are the days when you needed expensive professional consultation or web designing skills to create your online store. With Dukaan, you can get started right from the comfort of your home and your mobile app. Download the mobile app and make a fully functioning e-commerce website like this, where you can list products, deliver them, and accept online payments, all in a matter of minutes. Let's go ahead and create your online store right away. First, go to web.mydukaan.io and enter your email address. Next, create a strong password for your store. You would have received an OTP to your email address. Enter it here to confirm your mail. In the next step, you need to fill in some basic information about your business, like your country, your brand name, and the category you will be operating in. Your website's experience is tailored to your business category, and we recommend you pick the right one according to your business. Let's go with fashion and apparels for now. You can always change it later if required. Click on finish and congratulations, your e-commerce website is created. Pretty easy, right? On this screen, you can see all the crazy features that comes as part of Dukaan Premium. It gives you a host of interesting features like a custom domain, plugins, your own native Android or iOS mobile app for your business, and the like. Most of these features are available without any limitations, even during the free trial period. Let's go ahead and start our free trial. Once we do it, you'll see a checklist of things to pay attention to. Click on the Visit Store button and you can see how your store looks at the moment. Now that you have your online store ready, let's add some products to it and kick things off. Click on the Add Product button. Give your product a name, for example, Cotton Bespoke Sneakers for Men, and create a category, let's say footwear. Add a retail price and an optional discounted price at which you'll be selling. Next up, choose the minimum unit quantity for this product. In this case, let's select a pair for your sneakers. In the next step, make sure you write a detailed description about your product. Your product's description heavily influences your customer's purchase decision, so make sure it is accurate and enticing. But if you need help, just click on the Get Description link and our amazing AI-powered product description generator will give you a good option to go with. Play around with it until it reads good. Once you're happy with the description, click on the Add This Description button and it should be saved. You can then format this description if required. Make it look pretty, perhaps make the text bold or italic, whatever you want. Even add links and bullet lists if it helps. Your call. Just don't overdo it like this. Next step, hit on the camera icon here and add up to 8 images of your product. If you haven't noticed yet, our AI algorithm automatically adds pictures of products based on your product name. Ha! The power of AI. You can either use any image from the listed suggested option, or you can upload your own as well. You can then add your inventory details to track availability, like sizes and colors of your product, to list variations along with the prices. When you're done adding these details, click on the Add Product button. Now you can see the product on your store like this. Anyone who visits your store can also see it. You can also see it in your Dukaan's products menu over here. Let's say you want to create a new category for your winter wear collection. How would you do it? Well, on the left-hand sidebar, right next to all products, you can see categories. Click on it and then click on the Add New Category button. Here, add a name and an image to your category, in this case, winter wear. And that's it. I know what you're thinking right now though. You have a lot of categories to add and it might take forever adding them one by one. Well, don't worry, we got you covered. Dukaan has an easy way to do this. Go back to the products menu from the sidebar and click on the small drop-down besides the Add New Product button. Here, you can see 2 options. 1. Bulk upload products, and 2. Bulk edit products. If you choose to bulk upload products option, you will be prompted to download a spreadsheet template which you can then open and edit for adding many products as much as you want, for adding many products, categories and their details in one go. You can then upload it back and all the products will be added to your Dukaan website in a single click. By choosing the other bulk edit products option, you can change the details such as inventory, MRP, and selling price for all your products at one go. Now that we have your product and its details added, let's go ahead and share the store link with your customers so that they can directly buy from you. But wait, aren't we missing something? How are your customers going to pay? Online payments, the big one. You could just take the simpler route to get started by enabling cash on delivery, but you need to set up online payment options from your end to make sure the buying experience is smooth for your customers. To do it, there are three options: cash on delivery, Stripe, and PayPal. You can choose whichever method you like or works for your business. Now, link your account so that all the payments are directly sent to your Stripe or PayPal account. For users in India, we have an option for Dukaan Pay where you just have to enter your bank account details or your UPI ID and enable online payments easily. Once payments are set up, we're almost done. Your online store is now ready with products listed and payments set up. It's ready to be shared with your customers or friends. But here's a tip. Before you announce your store to the world, go ahead and share it with your friends and family on WhatsApp. Collect their feedback before going ahead. One thing you will notice is that your store looks pretty plain without a logo or custom branding. Let's go ahead and fix that. Go back to your Dukaan dashboard and click on the drop-down arrow at the top right corner. From here, select My Account. Here you can add your store logo, your address, and other details like your social profiles. If you have a team for managing your business, you can also create up to 5 staff accounts from this menu using their email address. You might also want to set store timings. From the same drop-down menu at the top right corner, click on Store Settings to update or modify various other settings for your online store, like your store timings, your order form details, extra charges, etc. Now, the most important part about running an online business is, of course, promotions and marketing. Dukaan gives you plenty of options to promote your business with an arsenal of ready-made marketing tools and plugins. To get started, go to the Plugins menu from the sidebar. In there, you will see a list of third-party app integrations that are available for your online store. There are many apps available to pick and choose from setting up Google Analytics, running ads on Facebook and Instagram, to getting listed on Google Search. There are plugins for every digital marketing need you and your online business might have. There's also plugins such as Intercom Live Chat, Privy, MailChimp email marketing, and even a product reviews and ratings plugin. We have video tutorials for each of them on our YouTube channel, so make sure you check them out. Once you have the marketing and promotional plugins enabled for your website, you can then start running ads across the internet to create buzz about your new brand. But what about creatives and branding? Well, lucky for you, with Dukaan, you don't need to hire a professional designer right away to make creatives for your brand. Go to the Tools menu from the sidebar and click on Promotional Designs. You can then see 3 different categories of creatives you can get from Dukaan, like business cards, store banners, and WhatsApp stories. They are updated by our designers and they come customized for your brand straight out of the box. Select the design of your choice and it will already have the details about your brand, like the name, website, and contact details. Edit the text if required, and just like that, you are good to go with promotions. And now let's change the look of your website. Throw in some colors and choose a different theme maybe. Well, to personalize your e-commerce website, go to the Appearance menu from the sidebar. Here you can choose different themes for your website or create new pages like an About Us page or a contact section. To choose a new theme, select the one you like from this menu. Now refresh your website and voila, your new theme is live. Once you start getting orders, you might also want to keep track of your customers, right? Well, Dukaan gives you plenty of options to stay close with your customers. Go to the Customers menu from the sidebar and you will see who your most loyal customers are. You can even reward them with discounts and coupons if you like. Speaking of discounts, you can easily create promotional offers and coupons for your Dukaan store. To do it, just go to the Discounts menu from the sidebar and click on Create a Coupon. You can either create a percentage discount, a flat discount, or a buy X get Y kind of discount. With so many tools and plugins, feel free to play around with them and figure out the best set of tools that work for you and your business. So that's it. Check out your store on the browser and on mobile, test everything, and if everything is locked and loaded, you're all set to take on the world with your new online business and your brand new online store. We wish you all the best in your entrepreneurial journey. Let us know if you need any help along the way and we are happy to help you. If you have any queries at all, feel free to reach out to us using the links given in the description below. Also, make sure you join our Dukaan VIP community on Facebook, where fellow entrepreneurs and other experts share and exchange ideas and valuable insights about running successful online businesses. See you all in another video. Until then, ciao.